Film this without running everyone off. But there's a baby bird out there complaining to his parents so much. He's like fluttering and yelling at them. And sorry if I sound funny, I've got allergies pretty bad. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Oh no, he flew away. Shoot. Well, we've got squirrel. There's a baby squirrel that's going around too that's super cute. He's so tiny. Okay, I think this is the baby bird, since he's doing so much yelling. I swept the patio yesterday, that's why my allergies are a mess. Okay, we've got nothing. We've just got some birds and some squirrels. None of the babies. Hopefully I can get something going later without scaring everyone away. I need a bird blind.